So we have 571 minus 55. So we need to subtract 5 tens and 5 units. So if we count back 5 tens from 571, we have 561, 551, 541, 531, 521. So we've taken away 5 tens, we've taken away 50, and we're on 521. Now we just need to subtract 5 units. And let's use bridging to subtract the units. So if we subtract 1, we're on 520. And now we need to subtract 4 more. So 520 subtract 4 leaves us with 516. So we subtracted 1 unit, then subtracted 4, so we subtracted 5 altogether. So 571 minus 55 equals 516. Now we have 235 subtract 78. So we need to subtract 7 tens first of all. So let's count back 7 tens from 235. 225, 215, 205, 195, 185, 175, 165. So now we've subtracted 7 tens, we can subtract 8 units. So subtracting 5 units from 165 takes us to 160. But we need to subtract 8. So how many more do we need to subtract? We need to subtract 3 more, and that leaves us with 157. So we subtracted 8 because we subtracted 5 and then 3, and our answer is 157. Now pause the video and see if you can subtract 66 from 422. So let's count back 6 tens from 422. 412, 402, 392, 382, 372, 362. So now we've subtracted 6 tens, we need to subtract 6 units. Well, if we subtract 2, that takes us to 360, but we want to subtract 6, so how many more units do we need to subtract? We need to subtract 4 more, and that gives us 356. So we subtracted 2, then subtracted 4, and that means we subtracted 6 altogether, and gives us our answer of 356. Now pause the video and see if you can answer 412 minus 89. So we need to subtract 8 tens, so let's count back in 10, 8 times. 402, 392, 382, 372, 362, 352, 342, 332. So we've subtracted 8 tens. Now we need to subtract 9 units. If we subtract 2, that takes us to 330. But we want to subtract 9, so we need to subtract 7 more, and that gives us 323. So we subtracted 2, then subtracted 7, so we subtracted 9 units altogether, and our answer is 323.